Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync KW Command to HighLevel. So if you're using HighLevel for their awesome landing pages, for their texting, for their email campaigns, everybody you generate, all the work you do in there can automatically be synced back into KW Command and vice versa. It's going to make you way more productive. Let me show you how to set this up. First thing you're going to do is go into KW Command and you're going to find this little logo here in the top right. That is the marketplace. Click on that. It's going to take you here to the KW marketplace and I'm just going to search for HighLevel. There it is. There's the syncing KW Command and HighLevel. I'm going to click view details and I can read more about the sync, but more importantly, this is where I can purchase the sync. So I'm going to click this button to go ahead and purchase it. It's going to take me through the purchase process. Once you finish with the process, you'll see a button here to go to My Apps. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And My Apps is where this lives. So there's the KW Command and HighLevel. There's all my integrations I've purchased through the marketplace. Even though I've purchased the integration, it is not yet active. So I'm going to click this. It's going to take me to API Nation to set it up and activate it. So here we go, we've clicked it. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect HighLevel. So it's gonna show me the accounts I can connect. I'm gonna go ahead and click the API Nation. That's the account I'm gonna go ahead and connect this time. Also, as a side note, if you're using HighLevel, great. If you have clients and you wanna send them to Lead Connector, you can absolutely do that in the KW Marketplace. There is also the exact same integration for KW Command, but this one has Lead Connector as the other side. So if you have a client, you want to get them synced up to KW Command, send them here, the KW Command and Lead Connector sync. It's going to look identical, it just has that different Lead Connector branding. Coming back here to finish up this setup, there is my connection. I'm going to go ahead and click that. So what we've done is we've gone to the KW Marketplace, we've purchased the sync. We click through the tile in My Apps, then we've connected HighLevel by signing in and choosing our account. Last couple things to do here. What do I want to sync? Do I want to sync HighLevel to Command? Or do I want to sync Command to HighLevel? Or do I want to sync both? I'm going to do both. So when I'm sending stuff over from KW Command, I want to sync all contacts, so everybody who's currently in KW Command, or do I only want to sync contacts I've added today going forward? I only want today going forward, so I'm going to leave this box unchecked. But if you check the box, it's going to sync everybody you currently have in KW Command in the HighLevel. Also, when you have somebody in HighLevel who currently exists in KW Command, should we overwrite that contact in KW Command? Or should we choose to do not overwrite that information and only fill in the blanks? I'm going to choose that option. Also, as they come from HighLevel to KW Command, I want them to be leads. I don't want them to be contacts in KW Command, so I've checked that box. HighLevel has a similar option, sync all contacts on first run. Again, I'm just going to leave it blank for now. If you're setting this up for the first time and you have a lot of different contacts in both of these two systems, I would check both these boxes and just let the sync go to town, getting everything leveled until these mirror each other. Last thing, check this box saying I'm not using any other platforms to do this sync. If you are, go turn them off first and then come back here and activate it. But I'm not, so I check the box saying I'm not. I hit continue and there we go. I have two syncs, but they're not yet active. So I've created two and I'm just going to go through, do a final check and hit the big activate button. This all looks good. There's a couple other options in here. For example, there's a filter, super powerful option here. If there's anything else you want to filter out, maybe I only want to send over people with a certain tag. So I only want to send people to HighLevel who have a tag HighLevel. I could do that. I don't necessarily want to do it. I want to send everybody over. Come on down here to mapping. You can see we do most of this for you. You can get the first name, the last name, the email, the phone. If there's anything else you want to add in here, just go ahead and hit the plus sign on the field and you can search for what you want to put in there. For example, here's preferred name. I'm going to hit the plus sign. I'm going to put in the full name. There we go. This all looks great. I'm going to go to the top and activate this sync. All right, now I'm going to go back to my syncs. You can see that is now active and we're going to set up the second sync. Very similar options. Again, I don't want to sync all contacts in this instance, but you may want to. I do not want to override information HighLevel. The filter, again, is a great option. This is looking at the fields for the HighLevel contacts. So if there's anything in HighLevel I want to look for, maybe a neighborhood name or a zip code, and I only want to pull those people over, I could do that. And then again, here is the mapping. So I'm going to go ahead and put preferred name for the full name. Come on down here. A lot of great options here, website. This looks great. I'm going to go ahead to the top and activate this sync. So there we go. Click My Syncs. And now you can see I have 2 syncs up and running. That's it. These 2 are now connected. Now, anytime I add a contact in KW Command, that contact will also be added in HighLevel. And anytime I get a lead, a contact through one of my awesome landing pages or texts or Facebook campaigns in a HighLevel, it'll automatically get sent into KW Command so I can start following up, pushing it towards a deal. If you need any assistance setting this up for you or your team, go to apination.com/KW. There you can call us, send us an email, and even set up a live session of support. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.